Yo, what's good, chat? Back with another video. This video, I'm pretty much going to be going over price action today, and also it's almost going to be like a monthly recap. I'm gonna go in my Discord, and I post all my trades in my Discord anytime when I take a trade. So I'm gonna go to my trade recap session. And I'm going to just go over all the trades I took, the confluences, why they were good, etc. So yeah, first off, I'm going to start off with today's price action. What was it? The government also shut down. Pretty sure that's what happened. Government shut down. I think it's for like 30 days. So PA is supposedly not going to be the best, but it's still definitely worth to look every day because you don't know which day could be good and which day could be bad. So yeah, like today, it was bad. It wasn't like that bad though. There was like one trade I possibly could see, but that's it. But pretty much, we're at all-time highs. So I was bullish until proven wrong. I was bullish until we got like a 15 or hourly inverse to downside. Let me go into bar replay real quick. What is this? Sorry, chat. Okay, but replay is start new. And then boom. Okay, so this is what it was pre-market. Sorry about this, chat. This is what we were dealing with. We were just at all-time highs, just sort of going up, like really no possible trades for pre-market. So pre-market, I honestly didn't even know what I wanted to happen. I just wanted to sort of react to what the market was giving me. If we were inversing the downside bet, I'd be willing to take a short. If we were go down, respecting bullish, then I'd be willing to take a long. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just fast forward to market open. Boom, we just dump. So here, there's no possible trades. Let me just dump down some more. No possible trades. So here, we just tapped inside this hourly gap and also swept this hourly sell side. So a long would look good here. And I was also looking for unfilled 5 or 15 minutes. We did have an unfilled 5-minute above. So this long would have looked good. But honestly, I don't like taking longs where like there's nothing to target besides the unfilled gap. Like if there was like some more buy side up here, it would have made sense to long. But like a trade like this is pretty much just like break even every time, so I didn't bother taking it. But definitely the best trade today. If you took it, if you took it and won, you probably made negative RR. Oh, maybe 1R if you had a tight stop and tight entry. But yeah, this is most likely just a break-even trade, and then we sort of just chopped around. What I wanted to see here was us generate like low resistance liquidity here, and then go up. Where's that tool at? Here's go up, tap equilibrium, and then get a short. So this would have been my only trade today if this happened. If we made low resistance liquidity here, which I saw we made a little bit here in a second. I believe we come down. Yeah. So we made low resistance liquidity here. So like if we pumped up right here, tapped equilibrium, then got a nice short with a clean inverse, I would have taken this, but it did not happen, so I did not take anything. But yeah, today was pretty choppy. Not really any trades to take. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow's better. I'm not even sure what's going on with NFP tomorrow since the government shut down or whatever. So I'm not sure if there's NFP A30 or let me check Forex Factory. Pretty sure it says tentative. Friday, yes, tentative. Okay, I guess we'll see. There's 10 a.m. news, I guess, whatever. But yeah. So that was the trade. That was the daily trade recap. There's nothing you could have possibly taken today. Well, at least that I possibly could have taken. You might have caught a 10-hour win, but I just didn't like anything. So yeah, I'm going to go over to my stats for this month now, and then go over my trades. Boom, performance. So my win rate's more like a 75. Actually, maybe it's probably even 80. It's like it's in like the 70, 80 range, because this was a break even yesterday, and this was a break even. So I have 2 losses. Yeah, unfortunately, I have 2 losses. So in the 70% range win rate. But September, I did not have a single red week. I had, boom, this week took a loss, took a win, had good risk management, so it was slightly up. So slightly green week here. This week it was awful, no trades, so break even. This week I found one good day, up 600. This week, win, no trade, break even, and then a win, up 1100 that week. So this just shows you don't need to take a trade every day. Just wait for your A plus setup to come. There's no reason to take trades that are B, C, A minus. Just wait for your A plus setup to come and risk heavy on it. There's no need to take anything less than A plus setup. So yeah, but the thing is, if you're doing that, if you're only taking those A plus setups, you have to size heavy on them. You got to trust yourself and size heavy on them. Right now, I mean, I'm sizing fairly heavy. I'm risking 500 to 600. So that gives me room for like 4 losses before my account's blown. But in the future, after I get this payout, I will definitely size way more. But yeah, I'm very close to a payout. I'm probably just gonna withdraw about get like a $1,000 payout. I'm not trying to go huge. Also not trying to go like that small, since all my payouts were like small. And 1,000 would be my biggest one. So plan is get at least $1,000 payout, and then just scale up by try to get more top step evals. Right now I have 1 eval I'm working on. Evals are actually more specifically top step evals are actually like my worst. Like, I'm way better trading expresses than evals for some reason. But yeah, I'm gonna try and work on that. Yeah, the idea is after I get a payout to get at least I want 3 top steps, and then yeah, those will be my main accounts probably. Might toss up some more apexes if there's a 90% off deal, but yeah, main focus is just getting 3 top steps after a payout. So yeah, that's after a payout. If I don't get a payout, I'm not gonna scale up. Simple as that. So yeah, jeez. Where's my trim, bro? Okay, whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to the trade recaps, Tyler's trades. I'm not gonna go too in depth since I don't have like the high time frame, or like anything besides what is actually shown in the recaps. But yeah, I'll try my best. Yeah, as you can see, every single day I post my trades and my reasoning. 9-3, can't even show the trade. I need to get out of my head. Yeah, so yeah, my top step should be way better if I'm being honest. But I like at the start of September, I forgot how to read a chart and took like the worst 2 trades I've ever seen. I remember I took this bad trade, and then my other loss was really bad too. So I took 2 losses. I shouldn't have, but yeah, coulda, shoulda, woulda. So boom, -1R. Can't show the trade because I was stressed about it, I guess. Okay, next, finally good settle. Yeah, this one was textbook. We had all my draws on liquidity I like to see. We had equal highs, which are equal highs right here. Oh, equal highs right here. We had a data high with the equal highs, and we have small low resistance liquidity right here. We have this high, and these highs make up this trend line liquidity, because if you draw a line from this high, this high, they tap perfectly, making a trend line liquidity, which makes it a good draw liquidity. So we have LRLR, data high, equal highs. We also had my high time frame draw, this blue line. So this is perfect. This is what I'd like to see in an A++ setup for me, when we have obvious low time frame draw, like equals unfilled 5, unfilled 15-minute data high or low resistance liquidity, and when my high time frame target is like right past it. In this case, it's over to the left, so you can't see it, but it's this blue line. And then we came down, we tapped into a 15-minute gap here. Then we got a clean 1 minute and 2 minute inverse, I believe. The entry TP was up here. I'm pretty sure I made 2R on this. I held the whole time because if I were to take this now, I would not hold the whole time. I'd either take all profit at like 1 point something R or scale, then hold some runners. But the reason I held was because my account was about to be blown and I had to like risk like sort of small. So I wasn't trying to make like any less than I would make on a normal size win. So 2R was like a normal size win. But yeah, that was this trade. As you can see, my explanation. Here, another trade. Like, just look at how obvious this is. Obvious 3-minute gap, inverse with good momentum. All-time highs. We had a data high as well. And then, yeah. Here, I should have honestly just held everything. I think I scaled like a... What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Okay, whatever. Yeah, here, clean 3-minute inverse, reacting off hourly gap to the left, targeting all-time highs and a data high. Yeah, just textbook. Textbook setup, move, break even at this high, didn't retrace the break even, you win. This trade, what made this setup 100% win rate was we had equal highs right here. With this high, there was also another high way over to the left that we made equal highs with it. You can't see it, but equal highs here. Retrace down, react off a 5-minute gap, clean 1-minute inverse, targeting all-time highs once again. So, the obvious draw, obvious fair value gap to get inversed, react off a 5-minute. Everything I need. Here. Oh. Okay, yeah, I think this was definitely my worst trade. It would have been a win. PB took this and it was a win. But for me, definitely my worst. I know it's still a really good trade, but from the others, like, you could just see how unclean this is compared to my other ones. React on 15-minute gap, relative equal lowest below, high time frame, previous day low, this black line, clean 1-minute inverse, react on 15-minute gap. So yeah, not a bad trade, but got break even on it. Here, this trade was textbook. Yeah, this is the trade that I screen recorded and posted on YouTube, like, while I was in it. Because I pretty much said this exactly what I wanted to happen, because through back testing, I've seen this exact trade play out so many times. It's insane, so I had so much conviction in it. We had low resistance liquidity right here, unfilled 15-minute, I think it was right here, actually. Obvious fair value gaps getting inversed in one death candle, and then react off a 15-minute gap, which is this black line. So yeah, textbook 11 a.m. reversal. No, not 11. That was that was a different trade, but yeah. Wait, take a look at this, and then look at the trade I took the other day. Oh yeah, it's literally my next trade. Look at this. Look at this. Pretty identical. We went up, tapped a 15-minute gap with this line. Actually, no, we didn't. I just lied. We swept an hourly high with this blue line, and then right after we dumped, got an inverse, clean inverse with good momentum, targeting low resistance liquidity, unfold 15-minute down here, triple equal lows right here. So 3 of my favorite liquidity pools in one, once again. And then, yeah, I ended up getting break even. Pretty unfortunate, just bad price action. We didn't even end up hitting my my TP of the unfold 15-minute anyway. So, yeah, this is just bad price action. And if we come back up to my break even here after coming down here, this is just bad price action, and I don't want to be in it anyway. And it would have worked out if I didn't not move break even. It would have been a loss because we never hit the TP zone. But yeah. And then my dirty laptop screen. But yeah. So those are all my trades. Let me know if you have any questions below. Let me know if you learned anything from those trades. And yeah, I'm gonna say it one more time. Once again, notice how obvious these trades are. Like these trades, all of these trades are just textbook. Have every this one. This one had relative equal lows and hourly lows, so it was good still. But all these trades have obvious draws, obvious fair value gaps getting inverse, good momentum, and reacting off a fair value gap, reacting off 15-minute, 5-minute time frame or higher. Just all of these look so obvious, it's insane. So these are the only trades you need to take. You don't need to take. Oh wow, it's pretty rough. But yeah, so only trades you need to take. So just be patient, wait for those A++ setups, and yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. If you made till the end, comment Tyler, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.